The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome back, dear children. Hope all of you are doing your work properly and systematically. Here is a quote. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. So dear children, work hard and amazing things will happen to you. Okay. Now, let us continue our chapter, Identities. In the previous class, we have calculated products by splitting numbers as sums and differences. Let us see. For example, 203 into 302. This is equal to 203 can be written as 200 plus 3 into 302 can be written as 300 plus 2. Here, using the identity x plus y into u plus v is equal to xu plus xv plus yu plus yv. Right? This is equal to 200 into 300 plus 200 into 2 plus 3 into 300 plus 3 into 2. This is equal to 200 into 300 60,000 plus 200 into 2 400 plus 3 into 300 900 plus 3 into 2 6. This is equal to 60,000 plus 400 plus 900 plus 6. 6 0 13 1 6. This is equal to 61,306. Clear? Next, 197 into 298. This can be written as 197 can be written as 200 minus 3 into 298 can be written as 300 minus 2. Here, using the identity x minus y into u minus v is equal to xu minus xv minus yu plus yv. Right? This is equal to 200 into 300 minus 200 into 2 minus 3 into 300 plus 3 into 2. Okay, this is equal to 200 into 300, 60,000 minus 200 into 2, 400, minus 3 into 300, 900 plus 6. Okay, this is equal to 60,000 plus 6, 60,006, 60,006 minus 400 minus 900. These two term sign is minus, so minus, add these two terms, 400 plus 900, 1300. Okay, this is equal to 60,006 minus 1300. 6, 0, 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 1, 8, 5. This is equal to 58,706. Is it clear, children? Now, let us learn more about sum and difference. Two hundred and 3 into 298. How can we split this number? This is equal to 203 can be written as 200 plus 3 into 298 can be written as 300 minus 2. Right? This is equal to 200 into 300 minus 200 into 2 plus 3 into 300 plus into minus minus 3 into 2. Okay, this is equal to 200 into 300, 60,000 minus 200 into 2, 400 plus 3 into 300, 900 minus 3 into 2, 6. Okay, this is equal to 60,000 plus 900. 60,900. Here minus 400 minus 6. So minus, add these two terms, 406. Okay, 60,900 minus 406. 4, 9, 4, 0, 6. This is equal to 60,494. We can write the algebraic form this as x plus y into u minus v is equal to xu minus xv plus yu minus yv for all positive numbers x, y, u, v with u greater than v. This is the fifth identity. X plus y into u minus v is equal to xu minus xv plus yu minus yv for all positive numbers x, y, u, v with u greater than v. Is it clear, children? Next, using this, we can find the general method to compute the product of the sum and difference of two numbers. That is, x plus y into x minus y is equal to x into x, next minus x into y plus y into x minus y into y. This is equal to x into x, x square minus x into y minus xy plus y into x, that is xy minus y into y, y square. This is equal to x square minus xy plus xy. These two terms sum is 0 minus y square. So left side is x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square for all positive numbers. Numbers x comma y when x greater than 1. So next identity is x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Clear, children? For example, 9 1 by 2 into 8 1 by 2. This is equal to 9 1 by 2 can be written as 9 plus 1 by 2 into 8 1 by 2 can be written as 9 minus 1 by 2. This is equal to, here x is 9, so x square, that is 9 square, here y is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is equal to 9 square is 81 minus 1 by 2 whole square. Numerator square by denominator square. Numerator is 1, 1 square is 1 by denominator 2, 2 square is 4. This is equal to 83 by 4. Let us do a problem. Compute the following. First question, 68 square minus 32 square. This is equal to, this is the form, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Okay, so 68 square minus 32 square can be written as 68 plus 32 into 68 minus 32. 68 plus 32, 100 into 68 minus 32. 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 3, 3. 100 into 36, this is equal to 3600. Clear? Next sub question. 3 1 by 2 whole square minus 2 1 by 2 whole square. This can be written as 3 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 2. Okay, this is equal to 3 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Half plus half, 1. 5 plus 1, 6 into 3 and half minus 2 and half. That is 1. 6 into 1, 6. Clear, children? Third one, 3.6 square minus 1.4 square. This is equal to, this can be written as 3.6 plus 1.4 into 3.6 minus 1.4. This is equal to 0, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. That is 5 into 3.6 minus 1.4. 6 minus 4, 2.3 minus 1, 2. 2.2. This is equal to 2.2 into 5. 5 into 2, 10, 0, 1. 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11. This is equal to 11. Here. Next, fourth one. 201 into 199. This can be written as 200 plus 1 into 199 can be written as 200 minus 1. This is the form x plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y is x square minus y square. Here x is 200, that is 200 square minus here y is 1 square. 200 square is 40,000 minus 1. This is equal to 40,000 minus 1. 9,993. This is equal to 39,999. Clear, children? Next, fifth one. 2 1 by 3 into 1 2 by 3. This can be written as 2 plus 1 by 3 into 1 2 by 3. This can be written as 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay, this is equal to, this is the form x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Here x is 2 square minus, here y is 1 by 3 whole square. Okay, this is equal to 2 square is 4 minus numerator square by denominator square. Here denominator is 3 square is 9. 4 minus 1 by 9. This is equal to, here using cross multiplication, 4 into 9 minus 1 into 1 by 1 into 9. This is equal to 4 into 9, 36 minus 1 by 9. This is equal to 35 by 9. This is equal to 35 divided by 9, 327, 8. 8 by 9. Clear? Sixth one, 10.7 into 9.3. This is equal to, this can be written as 10 plus 0.7 into 9.3 can be written as 10 minus 0.7. This is equal to, this is x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Here x is 10, that is 10 square minus here y is 0.7, x square, that is 0.7 square. This is equal to 10 square is 100 minus 0.7 square is what? 0.49. This is equal to 100, 0 minus 0.49. 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 4, 5.99. This is equal to 99.51. Here children. Next, find out the larger product of each pair below. First one, 25 into 75, 26 into 74. Here, 25 into 75. This can be written as 50 minus 25 into 50 plus 25. This is the form x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So this can be written as, here x is 50, so 50 square minus, here y is 25, 50 square minus 25 square. Okay, next 26 into 74. This is equal to, 26 can be written as 50 minus 24 into 74 can be written as 50 plus 24. Okay, here x is 50, so 50 square minus, here y is 24, y square is 24 square. 50 square minus 24 square. So here the larger product is 26 into 24. Clear children? The remaining problems in the textbook have to be done as homework. You can do it in the same way we have done above. Next, compute the following differences. 125 into 75 minus 126 into 74. 125 into 75 can be written as 100 plus 25 into 75 can be written as 100 minus 25 minus 126 can be written as 100 plus 26 into 74 can be written as 100 minus 26. Okay, this is the form x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So here x is 100, 100 square minus, here y is 25, 25 square minus, here x is 100, 100 square minus, here y is 26, 26 square. This is equal to 100 square minus 25 square. Here open the bracket, minus into plus, minus 100 square, minus into minus, plus 26 square. This is equal to 100 square minus 100 square. These two terms sum is 0, minus 25 square plus 26 square. This is equal to 26 square minus 25 square. This is equal to, this is the form x square minus y square. This can be written as 26 plus 25 into 26 minus 25. This is equal to 51 into 26 minus 25, 1. This is equal to 51. Clear children? Second sub question, 124 into 76 minus 126 into 74. So here 124 can be written as 100 plus 24 into 76 can be written as 100 minus 24 minus 126 can be written as 100 plus 26 into 100 minus 26. Okay, this is equal to, this is the form x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Here x is 100, 100 square, here y is 24 minus 24 square minus, here x is 100, so 100 square, here y is 26, so minus 26 square. Okay, this is equal to 100 square minus 24 square, open the bracket, minus into plus, minus 100 square minus into minus plus 26 square. This is equal to 100 minus 100 square. These two terms sum is 0 minus 24 square plus 26 square. This is equal to 26 square minus 24 square. This is the form x square minus y square. Here x is 26, y is 24. This can be written as x plus y into x minus y4. 26 plus 24 into 26 minus 24. 26 plus 24, 0, 50 into 26 minus 24 is 2, 50 into 2, 100. Clear, children? The remaining problems in the textbooks have to be done as homework. You can do it in the same way as we have done above. Okay, that's all for today. Do the problems in your notebook. We will see in the next class.